Hi guys, this is Sia and today I will be explaining what elasticity means in economic terms and why it is a fundamental part of economics. In clear, simple terms, elasticity is used in economics to describe how responsive one variable is to changes in another variable. How does a quantity change in response to another variable such as price or income? For example, let us look at this rubber band, and we can measure the degree of elasticity in terms of how much force is applied to stretch it. If the rubber band would stretch a lot when a small amount of force is applied, then it is highly elastic. On the other hand, if it stretches only a bit when a high force is applied, it is considered less elastic. For now, we talk about price elasticity of demand. What does it mean? It refers to how much the quantity demanded of a good or service changes when the price of that particular good is changed. For instance, we assume the price of a bottle of cola, which was previously valued at $1, but now the price is increased to $3. The question arises how much less of it will be sold now as a result of this price change. Let us assume the price elasticity of cola is minus 40, which means that for every increase in the price of cola, the quantity demanded will decrease by 4%. Using this information, we can use the given formula given to calculate the quantity of cola demanded as the price increases. If the price is elastic, that means it's greater than 1, then the demand is considered elastic, and if it is less than 1, then it is inelastic. On the other hand, if it is equal to 1, the demand is said to be unit elastic. Two extreme cases are when a small change in price results in an infinite change in quantity demanded. It means it is perfectly elastic. On the other hand, we can also see that there are other two extreme cases, like when the quantity demanded is not at all responsive to the change in price, that it is perfectly inelastic. For example, if a patient is in a life-threatening condition where they need a specific medication, they will be willing to spend as much money to obtain it. Now, let us talk about the several factors affecting price elasticity, which is like availability of substitutes. If a market has many substitutes, then the consumer is more likely to switch to another product if the price rises. If a price is a necessity, then the consumer is less likely to change their consuming preferences, even if we increase the price for example, if the price of inhalers are increased, then people suffering from asthma will still, purchase it even when as they cannot do without it. And also time period and income. If a product represents a smaller portion of your income, then a change in the price of it will be of less strain to the consumer. Then if, for instance, if we talk about a luxury good, if we increase the demand, then it will be less elastic than if a price of a basic necessity such as tissue paper is increased. Now that we have a general understanding of elasticity, let us consider an example which took place in May 2022. The price of gases in the state of Missouri had reached a very high level, but the demand for gasoline still remained inelastic. Why did this happen? This is because gas is a necessity for majority of people, which combined with the fact that there are very less substitutes available for gasoline, made it really difficult for people to easily switch or, use public transportation. Therefore, there are also many other factors contributing to this issue, such as regional supply and demand, global prices of gas. But the inelastic nature of gas is a key factor in allowing the people who supply to charge high prices, even without reducing the quantity which is demanded. Thanks for viewing my slides. These are my citations. Thank you.